Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at here guys. Wow, this violet color. Wow, wow. Come on guys, look at this. Wow, wow. Look at the mud guys. It's really cool. Very cool. Wow. Look here guys, it's some kind of bike. Wow, gun, some animals. Wow, yes, this ayam, and also kambing. Oh wow, come on guys, let's washing this all toys. Come on guys. Wow. It's look. Wow. Hey. Wow. Look at here, guys. This is good. Wow. Look at here, guys. The next one, yes guys, this is a race bike. Wow, look at the color guys, it's look really awesome. Wow. Wow, the next one. Yes, guys, this ayam, this home bird. Yes, this cockaraco rooster. Look at the color, guys. Wow. The next one, yes guys, this is archer. Wow, this is my favorite toy. Wow, come on guys, let's watch this archer. Do you know this archer? Yes, come on here. Guys, the next one, yes, this is a color gun. Look at this, guys, it's in blue color. Wow, Come on, guys, the next one. Wow, yes, this is a mama cow. Yes, this is sapi. Wow, Jersey cow. Look at the color, guys. It's in black and white. Mama cow. The next one, yes, guys, this is yellow with blue color gun. Color gun. Wow. The next one, yes, this is another ayam rooster. Cockaraco rooster. Wow. The next one, yes guys, this is duck. Wow, back. It's in white color duck. Wow. This also another duck. Look at the color, guys. It's in. Look at here, guys. This is the final one, guys. Yes, this is also a sapi. Yes, this is mama cow, Jersey cow. The next one is also another ayam rooster. Look at this, guys. Wow, it look awesome, guys. Come on. Ho 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 ho. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.